Hi guys, so in this video I am going to make a tortilla. So this is a really quick and easy recipe if you're stumped of what to make for dinner. It's potato, eggs and herbs. It tastes delicious. So to start with, what I have is I've taken about 300 grams of potatoes. I've peeled them off and I've sliced them as thin as I can. I've just cleaned them with water and then I'm going to pat them dry. Other ingredients I'm using are extra virgin olive oil. I also am using some chives and some herbs from the garden. So I've got some thyme leaves as well, some spring onion and some rainbow chard. So when I'm ready to do my potatoes, I've drained them, I've washed them and I'm patting them dry, ready to go into the tortilla. So you want to add some olive oil into a pan. So I've added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I finely chopped some onions. So I add my onions in there and I'm going to saute this slowly for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I've added in my herbs as well at the same time. Pop in all your potatoes. Then I've also added a little bit more of drizzle of olive oil on top to help all the potatoes cook. So now I'm using some good quality free range eggs. So this tortilla's got really simple ingredients, so you want to use good quality ingredients to make it taste nice. So I've taken about 5 eggs and I'm going to whisk them up. And don't forget to add some salt and some seasoning. So when my potatoes have cooked for about 20 minutes or so and they're nearly done, I pour in over my eggs. Make sure the eggs is evenly spread out over all the potatoes and then I will cover and cook that for another 15 minutes. And voila, it is done. Really simple, easy dinner to make for the kids and family. There you go, it's all done. I've served it with some rainbow chard and some green veg on the side. It's a simple and easy quick dinner to make. Thanks for watching guys.